Hello everybody, welcome to Idiot Gear. I'm Chewy and today I'll be showing you how to remove the radio panel from your SAAB. Now, the first thing you want to do, yeah I know the coolant level is low, this SAAB is an absolute shitbox, is actually turn off the power here, because if you don't, you'll probably end up hitting this and start wiping your screen for no reason. So you want to turn that off, plus the coolant message is also suddenly fixed. What you want to do next is get some nails, some thick nails like this, and you can just pop them in here, and you don't even need a special SAAB tool. There you go. Pop them with a little bit of oomph. Go, and there you go. And then just kind of, it's a bit hard to do with one hand, but what you want to do is you want to apply pressure here on this side and the same on the other side, and then you can just slowly pull out the radio, which I'm going to do now. And then it's quite simply just pulling it out. This is a lot easier if you have two hands. If we come over here to the side, we can see that when you pop this nail in, what you're actually doing is you're pushing this little plate in, and that plate keeps it in place. So basically if you push those two little pins in, then it will just slide out nice and easy. Of course, you don't have to forget putting your wiper stalk up so that the radio can clear it. And that is also why we had the car switched off, because else we'd be wiping our windscreen. Anyway, that's nice and easy. When you've pulled it out, you look at these big chunky cooling fins. You have to unplug all the parts. So these are just the standard radio pins, and it's basically you pull this and then you pull it out, which is a lot easier if you have two hands. This here is also just simply pulling it out, and this is also simply pulling out. This is for the optional CD changer in the boot. I don't have it, but all SAABs have this plugged in standard into their radio. So if you want to add a CD changer, you can do it in the boot. And over here, this is for the antenna, which I do have. And there you go, radio has been removed. So if you ever need to fix your radio, or heaven forbid, steal a radio from a SAAB, why would you want to steal a radio from 1995? I don't know. But if you should just want to, this is how you remove it with just 4 pairs of nails.